Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve videos not exporting on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve videos not exporting on CapCut, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to CapCut as you see. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can go to Play Store, can search about CapCut, you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.